a very special moment in our service. I am so delighted to present Giovanna, Leslie, and Mary. These are very talented young people. They created their own song based on a Bible verse, but it's not just that they sing it, they also created the music and they also created the choreography. So we are going to receive them now as they present this worship song. Praise the Lord. So this is called God's Love.
Yeah.